Welcome back. It's 6:51. Time for your morning news now. Attention outdoors men and women. It's now easier to get an outdoor recreation license here in the Badger State. That's because Governor Tony Evers signed a bill into law yesterday allowing state residents to use their ID cards as proof of residence in the DNR's Go Wild system. Before, only driver's licenses were accepted. The law is named after Steve Johnson, a blind outdoorsman from La Crosse who advocated for disability rights. Governor Evers signing that bill on the 5th anniversary of Johnson's death with his family present at the ceremony in Madison. If you live in Wisconsin but work in Minnesota or vice versa, filing taxes may soon get easier. A new bipartisan bill could be the first step in bringing back income tax reciprocity between the two states. For about 40 years, residents who crossed the border for work could file just one state tax return where they lived, but Minnesota ended that deal in 2010, citing Wisconsin's delayed payments. The bill would have the state study on the impact of restoring the agreement.
Our economies, along the river, it ebb and flows, and we want to make sure that, it works. We have to continue to do this.
That study would be due to Governors Evers and Walz by the end of this year. Reciprocity would ultimately have to be approved by the state's executive branches. Gunderson Health System's newly expanded simulation lab is giving medical professionals the hands-on training they need to save lives. The expanded facility features 7 realistic rooms, including 3 new inpatient spaces, where learners can practice life-saving skills. With this cutting-edge technology, Gunderson expects a surge in enrollment as more professionals seek out immersive training.
Last year we had over 9,000 learners come through our 4-room simulation lab, so I have a feeling that we're going to, if not double that, maybe even triple it.
The space was designed for broad use, meaning all of Gunderson's staff, including medical students, are welcome to use the facilities to brush up on their skills. A team of women helping build homes for Habitat for Humanity in La Crosse and Tomah. The annual Women's Build is a tradition dating back to 1991. Over the next 2 days, more than 110 women are volunteering at both locations. Yesterday, crews on La Crosse's north side worked together to install drywall and work on the ceiling of one home. The Tomah crew framed out the interior walls. Once the homes are finished, they will be sold to local partner families. If you plan to volunteer for Habitat for Humanity, you can sign up on their website. We have that link on our website, news8000.com. The Shamrock Club is on the move to spread some cultural spirit. The Irish Man and Irish Rose of the Year hit the road and brought some friends along. The Irish bus was packed up with musicians, dancers, and Clancy O'Cooley. He is the mascot of Irish Fest. They brought Irish cheer to 3 local elementary schools and 3 senior care facilities. We spoke with the Irish Man and Irish Rose of the Year, who told us the kids were doubling down on the fun.
And the children enjoyed it immensely. They loved Clancy O'Cooley, and they got up and danced and sang, and we got the teachers out there dancing, and the kids loved that,
But it ain't over till it's clover. After their visits, the Irish bus took a trip to Bennett O'Reilly's for prayer service. The Irish royalty will be in the St. Patrick's Day Parade tomorrow in downtown La Crosse.
Well, temperatures a little chillier to start today. Some 20s to the north and east, 33 in La Crosse, 32 in Winona and Viroqua. Another mild day, though, for this time of year. 58 for the higher, average highs only 45 with a sunny to partly cloudy sky. Windy tomorrow, maybe some sprinkles or flurries in spots, highs around 50. Colder for St. Patrick's Day and Monday, highs in the upper 30s to around 40, and then back around 50 next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.